Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, The Daily Technologies. In today's video, we're going to explore the world of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of central banks. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are also many other cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum and altcoins. So, let's dive into the world of cryptocurrency and understand how it works. Section 1. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that is secured through cryptography. It operates independently of central banks and is decentralized, which means it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. Cryptocurrency transactions are recorded on a public ledger called a blockchain, which makes it difficult to manipulate or hack the system. Section 2. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most well-known cryptocurrency, and it was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin uses a decentralized system for transactions, which means that no central authority controls the system. Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, which makes it difficult to manipulate the system. Bitcoins are created through a process called mining, where powerful computers solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and create new bitcoins. Section 3. Ethereum. Ethereum is another popular cryptocurrency that was created in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin. Ethereum is different from Bitcoin because it allows developers to build decentralized applications on top of its blockchain. These applications are called smart contracts and can be used for a variety of purposes, such as crowdfunding, voting, and more. Ethereum also has its own cryptocurrency called Ether, which is used to pay for transactions on the Ethereum network. Section 4. Altcoins. Altcoins are all other cryptocurrencies that are not Bitcoin or Ethereum. There are over 10,000 altcoins currently in circulation, and they vary in terms of their purpose, value, and popularity. Some of the most popular altcoins include Ripple, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. Altcoins are created through a process called initial coin offering, ICO, which is similar to an initial public offering, IPO, for stocks. Section 5. Investing in cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a high-risk, high-reward proposition. The value of cryptocurrencies can be volatile, and there is no guarantee that they will appreciate in value. Before investing in cryptocurrency, it's important to do your research, understand the risks involved, and only invest money that you can afford to lose. In conclusion, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of central banks. Bitcoin is the most well-known cryptocurrency, but there are also many other cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum and altcoins. Cryptocurrency transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, which makes it difficult to manipulate or hack the system. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a high-risk, high-reward proposition, and it's important to do your research before investing. We hope you enjoyed learning about cryptocurrency. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos in the future. Also, follow our Instagram page, link is in the description. Thank you for watching.